Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another money making video. If you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell where you'll be notified of all the new videos that we do about making money online, money making systems and money making strategies. If you stay to the end, I'll give you a link to a free course that I've done on high ticket affiliate marketing where I show you how you can earn over $1,000 commissions promoting high ticket affiliate marketing products and services. Right, let's get on with this money making video. And one of the problems we've got when we're promoting like affiliate products is to provide like a hook, a reason for people to click on our link and go to our content. And when they go to our content, hopefully they'll click on our affiliate link and then buy, and then we get paid. Sounds a very simple strategy, just step by step, but obviously there's a lot more to it. And when I say hook, I'm not talking about clickbait, where you promise somebody the earth and you don't fulfill your promises. You're not telling the full truth or anything like that. How to make $1 million a day and all that other rubbish. We're not going to do that. It's just an incentive for someone to come and click our link and go and find out for more information or take advantage of that type of thing. And for this example, we're just going to go into Amazon and we're going to look at these rowing machines here, which obviously health and fitness is very popular, always has been, always will be. And some of these products, cardio trainer equipment, are $2,000 above, so you can make some tidy commission, even 3-4% on Amazon. It soon adds up. But we need like a hook to get people to go to our webpage. And one of the best ways to do that is some of these are offering like a free trial. So if you just click on this free trial rowing machine, for example, and click on this link here, and just on Google, you'll see exactly what I mean. So this company is offering a 21-day trial at home. Obviously, I'm in the UK, so it's £1. If you're in America, this would be $1. Where you can try this rowing machine. And these rowing machines are probably at the top of the market, really. And very, very simple. You complete the information, and they'll send it to you, and you can use it for 21 days. All you pay is $1. Use it for 21 days. It's free shipping. They ship it to you for free. If you're not happy with it, you can send it back. They will collect it for free, and they give a warranty as well. So it's a great incentive. This is the hook that we need. And this, obviously, this Topion, for example, is actually listed on Amazon for £750, so just under $1,000. So it's not cheap equipment, it's quality equipment. And these water-resistant rowing machines are probably some of the most expensive. You can actually see here where the water looks like you're actually rowing on the water. That's the resistance that you feel, very quiet and very, very popular. So how do we get this people to click on the hook? Well, the best place to do that is to put pins on places like Pinterest. We can do short 15-second vids on TikTok. We could do Instagram Reels if you want as well. And we can obviously do YouTube Shorts. And all we need to do is send them from these places for quick traffic to a basic web page. So this web page will just outline all the benefits of this rowing machine. And now we can get all the information we need just on Amazon. If you just scroll down, and we want to look at these ratings that people have actually bought it and what they think, and we can rewrite some of this stuff just for our content, for our web page, just to fill it out a little bit and give somebody a bit more information, and just outline all the best bits from this rowing machine. That's all we need to do. So all this is inside this information. But more importantly, we don't want to put the price on here at all, but we want to put a banner saying click here to get the best price on Amazon, and that is our affiliate link. But also going back, when we promised them Something like here for our hook, like get a rowing machine for $1, and you would put this on here, and you would put this link on this page. So you're not telling lies, you're giving them exactly what they want. You're going to send them to this page, put your website in the profile of these places, or the link in your pin, that type of thing. Link in description on YouTube. And on this page here, you would obviously have the two options. Click here to get the best price on Amazon. So the price will not be on here, so they don't know the price. So you want them to click on that, or you're going to fulfill the promise that you did on here with the hook and click here for a $1 21-day trial. And obviously that will take them to this page, which obviously if they buy from here, direct from here, you will not get paid. But the key thing here is to get them to this page, where a lot of people will come here and the cookie will be dropped when your affiliate link with Amazon for 24 hours. So they might say, oh, well, yeah, I'm interested in this, but I want it straight away. I want it tomorrow. So they can order this product from Amazon with your link within this 24 hours, and you'll be paid a commission. You're not going to win every time, because you have to, obviously because of the hook, but it's the hook that will get them to this page. And hopefully some of them will say, click here, I want this rowing machine right now, and get the best price. Get the best price on Amazon, so you can see what the best price is. And when they click on that link, it will take them to this page where they can see all the information, look at all the reviews, and it's quite good reviews on this one. Where are we? Yeah, so quite good reviews there, about 4.5 stars, which is good. And look further down. Yeah, so quite a number of 5-star reviews. You'll always get people complaining and moaning that they just don't like doing exercise probably, but that's okay. But this will, hopefully this page here of Amazon will convince them to actually buy and order, then you will get paid. So that's just one example of finding a hook to help drive traffic to your web page, and then hopefully you can convert these people into buyers. But obviously, do not, if you're promising them something, make sure you provide that promise like we've done here. So click here for a $1 21-day trial. Just one thing about this link here, I would open this link, make sure this link opens in a new window. So when they do that and they close it, they'll still be on this page. So that hyperlink needs to open it in a new window. Don't send them to this page where they may not come back. You don't want that. You want them to end up obviously at this page. So be very careful. Just make sure this hyperlink opens in a new window, which they can close, but they will still be on here, so they can click here for the best price on Amazon. Very, very simple stuff really, but people don't really think about it too much. But hooks are a great incentive, and it gives people a reason to click when they think they're getting something. A 21-day trial for $1, which they can if they want, but obviously a number of them will actually buy. So don't tell them lies, don't promise them something just to get them to a web page. Just if you're advertising something like this, like how to get a free rowing machine, then they'll go here and actually you can get a free rowing machine for 21 days for $1. I know it's not absolutely free, but you can say how to get a rowing machine for $1, which is absolutely true. You're not telling lies. That is the fact, and that is the hook, and how to get people from these places for fast traffic to your web page and then onto your Amazon page where you will get paid. Just a quick one today. I hope you enjoyed that. Just a bit of an insight onto hooks and incentives. As ever, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, where you'll be notified of other money-making videos that I do. And as before, I promised you say more about this free course that I've done. It's a 90-minute course, 3 videos, absolutely free, on high-ticket affiliate marketing. How you can promote high-ticket affiliate products and receive over $1,000 commissions, which is basically what I do most of my time. So if you're interested in that, you'll see the link in the description below. But that's it for today, just a quick video. I hope you enjoyed it and got something from it. give you some ideas of how you can find these hooks and incentives to drive traffic to your webpage, and obviously then onto your actual affiliate links to get the clicks and the sales and the commission. But my name is Mike Anthony. Thank you again for your time today, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself, stay safe. I'll see you next time.